Best deals.
1. Cleaner brush. Measures 15 inches and non-scratch and odorless nylon bristle easily removes stubborn stains from your bottles, carafes, travel mugs, containers etc. Its sturdy construction make tough cleaning tasks a breeze. With the non-slip rubber grip of this bottle scrub brush, you can clean your bottles with ease and comfort. The full covering bristles can achieve 360-degree cleaning without dead ends, and the flexible brush can easily extend into the narrow mouth bottle. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dumpling Momo. Made of food-grade ABS material, which is not only sturdy and not easy to be damaged, but also ensures the safety of the ingredients, allowing you to use it with peace of mind. Create beautiful flower-shaped buns effortlessly with this user-friendly bun maker. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Grater. Manufactured using high-grade 430 stainless steel that allows it to deliver top-quality results through a smooth grating experience. The sturdy construction ensures its longevity so that it can be of great use, has comfortable handle on top. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Rolling wheels. It is powder coated to protect it from rust, corrosion and abrasions. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Drain basket. Experience enhanced drainage and filtration with the double-layer design of this kitchen sink drain basket. The inner layer efficiently traps food waste, while the outer basket allows water to drain freely, preventing clogging. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the detachable strainer basket. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Wooden trivet set. Protects your dining table or countertops from hot pots, pans, kettles, or dishes. Trivet swivels out effortlessly and folds back after use, hence helps compact storage. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Pancake mold. Designed with premium rust-resistant stainless steel and a durable non-stick coating, these egg rings ensure seamless food release every time. Say goodbye to sticky messes and enjoy hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Perfect for frying eggs, making pancakes, or shaping your favorite dishes into restaurant-quality creations. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coconut scraper. High-strength metal is used to construct the frame. Well-designed frame, it can withstand the force applied during work. Each corner is welded perfectly. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Honey dispenser. Comes in 3 parts, a lid, a honey container, and a stand. Releases a thin drizzle of honey into your tea or steamed milk or on top of toast, or cornbread. It will become indispensable at your breakfast table. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mold. Made from premium quality food-grade carbon steel, superior heat conductivity, not warp or bend out of shape. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Sandwich maker. Made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel. Ensuring long-lasting use and safety when in contact with food, crustless sandwiches, you just need to place the filling on the bread, then place in the sealer and press firmly. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Brush. Specially designed to reach nook and corners of your sink. Refillable head powered with stain cutting power. Ergonomic handle, easy to hold and use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopper. The circular hanging hole design is convenient for storage, and the non-slip handle has a horizontal groove and wave design in the middle, making it easier for you to grasp the tool when using it. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Lime squeezer. Lemon press squeezer has inbuilt pip catcher to strain juice and offer extra control by acting as a funnel to direct juice flow into a glass or small bowl, has slimline design to fold completely flat for space-saving storage. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Towel napkin. With rich and aesthetic look, made from 100% pure, ring-spun, finest quality ultra-soft and plush cotton. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Silicone tray. Made with high-quality food-grade silicone, safe, non-toxic, and durable for daily air fryer cooking, grilling, roasting, and baking. The air fryer silicone tray prevents food from sticking, making washing effortless. Simply rinse or put in the dishwasher. Perfect for baking cakes, muffins, bread, pizza, fries, chicken, or desserts. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Straw cover cap. Plugs are made of food-grade silicone without BPA, reusable, elastic, odorless, hand-washable and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Splash guard. Prevents messy countertops by blocking faucet splashes, soap water, and cooking spills. Just place it along the sink or counter edge and it stays firmly in place. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dustbin. BPA free and made up of 100% food grade material that can be used for both dry and wet waste. Its robust design and attractive colors match any ambience and make it ideal for both office and home, made with the highest grade plastic that prevents odor from escaping. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Measuring cup. Space-saving kitchenware that allows the individual elements within each set to be stacked and snapped securely together for easy, compact storage in your kitchen drawer. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Kulfi molds. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats such as juice, yogurt with fruit and anything you like. Molds are designed to make drip-free ice creams and give a clean, no-mess experience. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Sink basket. The adjustable feature further allows you to modify its length at your convenience. The material of this kitchen organizer basket is both non-toxic and odorless, making it perfectly safe for you and your family. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Filter spoon. Crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel for long-lasting use and resistance to rust. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Ginger grater. Easily chop, mince, and grate garlic, ginger, nuts, and herbs. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Colander. You will get a multifunctional vegetable slicer with 4 different shredding blades, food container, drain basket, shredder and protective gloves. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Biscuit maker press. Extrudes firm dough into creative shapes for easy cookies and other treats without rolling or cutting dough. Including a new type, churros, tasty and crunchy biscuits made with fried batter, 20 discs for traditional cookie shapes and complete instructions. Easily adjust cookie sizes from large to small with just the turn of a knob, yields 35 to 40 small cookies and 20 to 25 large cookies. Remove top cover, insert desired cookie die, fill with dough, replace top and press handle, each press advances dough for consistent looking cookies. Ergonomic design, easier and less mess, disassembles for cleaning. Product link is given in the 26th link.